Hello, everybody. This is what I'm endorsing today. It's called Koa Coffee. Now, I'm going to redirect you from one of my blog posts from Blogspot. I'm going to leave you a link right to that landing page so you can get redirected to a product like this. This is very specialty coffee. Comes with whole beans. Here, would you look at that? I hope this video is a little bit about a minute of your time. I'm not going to go through the ordering process. You can figure that out on your own terms. And this is real deal from the mountains of Hawaii. I think I'm going to dump some links into the YouTube description. By the way, I am Richard Barrett Hilton. I'm an affiliate marketer. This is the best coffee in America, according to Forbes magazine. It is specialty coffee. It is 100% Kona. Real coffee beans you grind. So, like the video, share this video. Go click through the links in the description. Order yours, because I take advantage of this coffee too. This is a specialty blend kind of coffee. Share the video. Leave me some comments in the comments section. By all means, let's get some engagements going on. And this makes a great gift for the holidays. So, Merry Christmas. Wish you guys many more. And have a good one.